In this video, I'll show you on how you can sign up on Grodital. What is Grodital? Grodital is an affiliate platform where you can recommend products and earn commission, and also you have the ability to learn different high-paid data skills. Grodital is a Ghanaian affiliate platform and is created by a Ghanaian guy, a top affiliate marketer in affiliate marketing industry. So make sure you watch the video to the end to learn more about how you can sign up on Grodital. And also I'm going to show you what you are going to learn on Grodital. And when you sign up on Grodital, you are going to have access to the new OYE program where you will learn everything you needed to know about affiliate marketing, how to build your business, how to brand your business, how to earn money through affiliate marketing or other business. And also I will show you the interface of the platform, different courses you can promote on this platform. Make sure you watch the video to the end to learn more about Grodital. Like I said, Grodital is an Ghanaian affiliate platform that is created by Ghana. You can also withdraw in Naira, dollars, pounds, or Ghanaian cedis. And also you have the ability to get access to the full-time mentorship group where you can ask questions from the top affiliate, how they were able to generate a lot of sales, how they were able to implement everything they have learned in the course. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Note 2025, you wasted 2025, you're unable to earn online in 2025. So prepare for next year 2026. Let me tell you something, nobody can help you. You are the only one that can help yourself. There are so many opportunities in the online space, so many opportunity you can grab now. So make sure you grab this opportunity and then you earn from your smartphone, and also you learn high paid digital skills that can help you in your online business or offline business without stressing yourself. So this is a link. I'm going to stop on the link right now. I'm going to show you how I'm going to sign up, and I'm going to show you everything you're going to get from Grodital platform. So this is it. So I'm going to allow it to load. Okay, so to earn 5 6 figures monthly online finally. So turn your phone into a money making machine. Stop searching for blog to blog, YouTube channel to channel, or how to make money. Avoid wasting hours fighting out legit ways to earn money. Start making money by simply putting other people products, earn in dollars and get paid weekly. Then the cover was paid for you. So this is okay. What you will learn inside, you will learn step by step how to begin affiliate marketing and earn from it. Even if you have never done it before, you will discover how to make people trust you and what to buy from your online. You will know how to get people from WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and more to check out your brand. So this is a testimonial of so many people. I made over $22,000 in affiliate market, and I made 27,000 CDs in reward as a top affiliate in Ghana. Now I earn at least 10,000 CDs every month. Don't the best platform for your affiliate marketing journey, Grodital. Thank you, Grodital, AKT Universe. You can Google about ATK Universe. This guy is a top affiliate marketer in affiliate marketing industry. So this product 14,000 plus CDs earned in a single week by one of our students after implementing. This guy, I said, I never knew there's a legit online business that can change my life until I meet ATK Universe, who introduced me to this business. I have been making over 10,000 plus CDs weekly from this business, and just today I made another 14,700 CDs from online business. Thanks very much. This Thank you very much for this opportunity, ATK. Affiliate marketing got me all these guys. Let's say one of our students SP. So affiliate marketing will sponsor your lifetime. Even though you don't want to do affiliate marketing for a lifetime, you can start to just to earn money to start your own personal business, or maybe you have idea, maybe you have learned an offline skills but you don't have money to establish it. You can start affiliate marketing, you can learn how to sell online, and when you generate money you use it to sponsor every business, every idea you have offline. So this is testimony of a lot of people. So the total program is valued 2,000 2,130 plus, that's 300,000 plus, but you are getting everything for just 189 CDs. In Nigeria is 26,460. That in dollar that would be let me say like $24 or $26. So full course access, all bonus packs, one-time payment, lifetime update, very important support, community price will revert to original price. So now they're doing a promo now. So this is what you're going to model one. Welcome and introduce welcome address, cost structure, mentality arc, and why affiliate marketing. The framework we will follow in the program. Introduction to affiliate marketing. Module 2, how does affiliate marketing work? Benefit of affiliate marketing. Module 3, finding the right niche. Learn how to choose the best area to focus on, where the money in is and what suits you. This is selection and strategy, high demand and low competition niche. Okay, but the 4, personal branding. You will learn how to present yourself online in a way that builds trust, makes people want to buy from you. What is branding and why it matters? The online workers personality, how to build simple landing page or profile links. Product selection. Not every product sells fast. Learn how to pick products that will bring results and how to rehearse them. How to select the right product. So there's a lot you can learn in this course, the new oil program. So what others are saying, I made my first sale within a week. I had no idea where to start with Affluent until I joined the TNO program. The way it was explained made everything so clear. I made my first sales just 6 days after starting. In this course, you will learn everything about Affluent, how you can be successful. It's going to tell you what it did to earn money. Do you understand? So this course is a good course for you to get right now to start affiliate market, and also you'll be able to earn money from this platform. I tried free YouTube tutorials before, but nothing comes close to how practical and real this training is. I finally understand how to attract people, talk to them, and close sales. I used my WhatsApp, made over 400,000 in 2 weeks. I don't even know I could use WhatsApp to say like this. The TNO program opened my eyes, everything with step by step and easy. So there's a lot of plus. So when you click on the link, you're going to just go through it, read everything there. So this person said the unemployed graduate wake up by 5 to see another 3,000 plus allowed phone growth as a weekly payment after receiving 2,800 CDs plus last week. The best way to get ahead is to develop a valuable skills that people will pay you for. Learn a high income skills for anyone. So this is a great opportunity for you to sign up on Growth to get access to the new oil program where you will learn high digital skills, everything you needed to know about affiliate market, everything you needed to know about selling online, how to present yourself, how to brand yourself. You will learn everything. I got myself a new and first smartphone ever owned by myself. Thank you, ATK Invest, for your coaching. See, this is her testimony. With the income I get from affiliate marketing, I have been able to invest in my physical marketing business. You see, do you understand? So affiliate marketing wins thanks to the new oil. One of the hours spent cash out big. So this is what 80K from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for believing in me and helping me unlock my potential. Your guidance and mentorship have been a game changer. I'm overjoyed to have achieved my goals, earning not to treat myself to a brand new tablet, $500. You are more than just a mentor. You are a guardian angel who helped me find my way. Selfless, patient, kindness, inspired to be a better version of myself. Keep shining your light and touch hearts. So there's a lot of testimony in this place. So now I'm going to show you how you can sign up. So if you want to sign up, you tap on this check out now. So if you are interested in sign up, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to sign up, and then it's going to take you to this place, and then when you click on the check now, you are going to register and then do the necessary payment you need to do. And after paying, you receive an email to sign up on your affiliate platform, and also you have access to the course. So check the card. I'm going to tap on it. So after tap on it, I'm going to allow it to load. Here you make sure you write your full name, please. The name you use in your bank, make sure it's here. Enter your full name. Let me just write just normal name. So email, let me just look for some. Let me see. Okay, this is not my real email. Let me just format the phone number. Okay, no, let me just put, sorry. So that is it. Then select Ghana or Nigeria. So I'm in Nigeria. So if you're in Ghana, you select Ghana. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. So then you keep, so select payment gateway, you tap on it. You want to pay in Ghana, Nigeria, or this, just anyone you want to use. So I'm going to tap on Nigeria. So then you tap on pay now. So can you see? So then you are going to tap on authorize transaction. So you tap on it, you allow it to load. So okay, so you now said pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, pay with bank. If you want to pay with your debit card, you can go ahead to tap on it. If you want to pay with your bank transfer, you go ahead to tap on. If you want to pay with your bank, you go ahead. So I'm going to tap on bank transfers because some people like paying through transfer. So then you check, okay, you tap on I understand the instruction. Transfer only the exact amount. Do not transfer an incorrect amount. Do not save or use the account. It can only accept a single transfer. The account expire after a fixed time. So then you tap on I understand. Then you tap on continue. Do you understand? So you're going to pay 26,460. Please don't send more than that amount. Don't send more than that amount. The amount you see on the screen is what you are going to send to get access to the Grodital platform, and also you have access to the new OYE program where you will learn IP detail skills. So don't send more than this amount. So then this is account number, you copy it and then go to your transfer store and then send the money. When you send the money, then you are going to receive an email that you have paid for Grodital platform. You have paid to get access to the new all-year program course. So that is how you can sign up and you get access to this great opportunity. So if you want to sign up right now, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link in the description to sign up, or send me a message on my WhatsApp. I drop my WhatsApp number on the description below. Just send me a message, then I'll tell you how you can go through it, or I'll help you to sign up. But you can just click the link. When you click on that link, it's going to take you direct to this place, and then you tap on the checkout now. You can go through it, read everything, and tap on the checkout now, and then follow every instruction that I've did on this place. So that is how you are going to sign up on Grodital to get access to the new OYE program. So I'm going to show you the interface of this platform. So let me just go back right now. So I'm going to sign into my Grodital account. Okay, this is how the interface. So you see, also you can become a vendor. Maybe you have a product you want to promote, you can register to become a vendor on this platform. See, so let me just sign in and show you different courses you can promote. Sorry. Okay, so then you tap on the marketplace. Okay, sorry, let me show you. Okay, this is a new account. Do you understand? So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This is a new account. So this is 0000 also. So this is how. Then you tap on these three lines. Then you come to the marketplace. So these are different courses you can promote. The new oil program, let me change it to naira. So the new oil program course is 26,460, and if you promote it, you are going to earn 13,230,000. 13,213 naira. So times 10. So that means you are earning 130 plus. So it's very easy for you to earn money in affiliate market. Affiliate marketing is the fastest way to earn money now in online space. And within a space of 6 months, if you are able to implement everything you learn on this platform, you are going to earn a lot of money. Even though you can sign up on different platform, I got this course and I was able to implement everything in this course on other platform. I was able to earn. So when you get every information needed on this place, you can register on different affiliate platform, promote that product and earn commission. And when you earn commission, you can sponsor your lifestyle or sponsor the business or idea you want to do in offline. So can you see? So you can decide to promote video edit. It's not compulsory for you to promote the course you got. You can decide to promote any course and then still earn money from it. So you can decide to promote smartphone video editing. There's a lot of people that want to learn how to edit video, so you can promote. The smart video editing is 20,860 naira. So you're going to earn commission of 12,516 naira. So this is how to promote affiliate marketing. 21,000, you are going to earn 10,500. Master channel master importation, so 26,460 naira. Then you are going to earn 13,230 naira. So there's a lot of courses you can promote and then earn a lot of commission. So can you see? Advanced SMS bank message, you can promote it and then earn a lot of money. So that is the different courses you can promote, and this course is high demand. So you can see, so this is it category. Let me just select the category. Courses, these are courses. This one is coming soon. Okay, web design is coming soon. So this is, can you see? So ebooks, any course. See, there's a lot of things you can promote here. Think like Hustler, grow like boss, 7,000. You are going to earn 35 online 60 place. So this is a lot of things you can promote and earn commission. So mentorship, so this is a mentorship. The vault is 35,000. You are going to earn 24,500. Automated telegram cash flows 20,000. 29, you're going to earn 10,010. That is for that. There's a lot of course on this platform. iPad course you can promote here and others. So you can see this one is hello dropshipping ultimate guide for dropshipping locally. So it's 8.4. You are going to earn 4.2. Lightroom present pack 25, that's 14,000. So there's a lot of courses you can promote on this platform and earn a lot of money. And also, apart from even earning money, you have access to the full-time mentorship group where you learn different ways to earn money with your smartphone, and also you learn how to build your brand. So if you're interested in signing up on this platform, there's a link in my description below. Just click on the link and then sign up. And when you sign up, you're going to receive an email receipt, and then you sign in on this platform and you learn everything you needed to know, and then you start earning with your smartphone. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Make sure you like, follow, make sure you like and subscribe, and also share this video. I remain myself, Ogun Shakti, Tim Tokwe.